over 60, and feeling weaker every year, struggling to lift things, climb stairs, or even stand up from a chair without effort, you're not alone. What if I told you there's one powerful gran yes, a simple gran yes, and even help fight muscle loss, rebuild strength, and even help you feel like yourself again? Sarcopenia affects millions of seniors, but there's hope. In this video, you'll discover a natural, affordable, and science-backed way to restore muscle and regain your confidence. Keep watching, because what you're about to learn could transform how you age, starting today. Hello, and welcome. If you clicked this video, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You care about your body, your future, and your independence, and that means everything. I pray that you stay healthy, strong, and full of joy for many years to come. No matter where you are in life right now, you are not too old, and it is not too late. You deserve to feel strong, supported, and inspired. And today, we begin that journey together with knowledge that empowers you. Let's explore how one ancient grain can support your muscles and change your life. I want you to believe this with all your heart. Just because you're aging doesn't mean you have to accept weakness or pain. Aging is not the end, it's the start of a new chapter. You still have goals, dreams, people who love and need you. Whether you want to walk easier, garden again, or carry your grandchild without pain, you can do it. Your body is powerful, and today we'll fuel it with the right tools. Let's unlock the strength that's still inside you. You're stronger than you think. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. Why? Because every week, we share simple, natural, and effective health tips just like this one, designed specifically for people over 60. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus tip to boost your muscle strength even more. Don't miss it. Now let's talk about the grain that could change everything. Sarcopenia is the medical term for age-related muscle loss. It begins quietly, often around your 50s or 60s, and slowly steals your strength, balance, and independence. You may notice your arms and legs feel thinner or weaker. Climbing stairs gets harder. You lose energy faster. That's not just aging, it's sarcopenia, and it can be serious. But research shows that with the right nutrition, especially protein and certain nutrients, you can slow it down or even reverse it. And that's where this grain comes in. Meet quinoa. It's small, it's ancient, and it's powerful. Unlike most grains, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. That means it can help repair and build muscle, especially when your body needs it most. Quinoa is also high in magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, nutrients critical for muscle function, energy production, and nerve support. Even better, it's gluten-free, easy to digest, and simple to cook. 1 cup a day can make a difference in how you move, feel, and live. So how exactly does quinoa help? When you eat quinoa regularly, your body gets a steady source of plant-based protein and amino acids. These are the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong and repair themselves after daily activities. Magnesium in quinoa helps your muscles relax and contract properly. Iron supports oxygen flow, so your muscles don't fatigue, and its fiber keeps your digestion smooth and steady, essential for nutrient absorption. This tiny grain supports your whole body, not just your muscles. You don't need to change your whole diet. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa per day is enough. You can eat it for breakfast like oatmeal, toss it in a salad, mix it with vegetables, or use it instead of rice. Add a boiled egg, a sprinkle of olive oil, or some steamed spinach, and you've got a muscle-repairing meal. Try this for just 14 days, and many seniors notice better energy, less muscle pain, and easier movement. Consistency is key. Make it part of your daily routine. Want to boost the results even more? Combine quinoa with 10 minutes of light movement every day. Simple walking, gentle stretching, or resistance bands can activate your muscles and help your body use the nutrients better. Think of quinoa as the fuel, and movement as the ignition. Together, they spark strength and vitality. Start small. Be patient. The changes may be quiet at first, but within weeks, you may feel like a new version of yourself. Stronger, steadier, and more alive. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend, a parent, or someone you love. You never know who might need this message today. Also, leave a comment below. Have you ever tried quinoa, or are you planning to now? We read every comment and love hearing your stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so we can continue to bring you health tips that matter. Your support helps keep this channel alive and growing. Remember, it's never too late to take care of your health. Your body is always listening, always responding. Even small changes can bring big results when done with consistency and care. Adding 1 healthy food, taking a short walk, sleeping better, it all adds up. And today, you've taken 1 step forward. Let that step become a new path, a path of strength, healing, and freedom from fear. You are not powerless. You are capable, and you are never alone on this journey. To everyone watching this, keep believing in yourself. Aging is not a weakness. It's wisdom, it's courage, and it's a chance to care for yourself like never before. You deserve to live without pain, to walk without fear, and to wake up excited for the day. Fuel your body, move with purpose, and surround yourself with knowledge that uplifts you. You are stronger than yesterday, and tomorrow, you will be stronger still. Keep going, keep growing. You are doing better than you think. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you leave this video feeling hopeful, informed, and inspired. Your health matters, your happiness matters, and you matter. Until next time, stay strong, stay kind to yourself, and never stop learning. I'll see you again soon in another video with more tips, more hope, and more ways to live your best life after 60. Take care, and may your days ahead be filled with strength, peace, and purpose. Goodbye for now.